Hey guys, I have a short tutorial for you today that will show you how to tie alternating half hitches. This is a fun pattern to use within your work. I find it works really well to add it to a front layer of your wall hanging. Let's get started. For your setup, cut one piece of rope that is 2 meters in length. Fold it in half and attach it to your dowel using a lark's head knot. Grab the cord on the left, bring it in front of the cord on the right, around to the back of your work and through the loop. You have tied one half hitch. To tie an alternating half hitch, grab the cord on the right, bring it in front of the cord on the left, around to the back of your work, and through the loop. Repeat that process to create a pattern of your desired length. I'll show you one more time using 2 cords for each half hitch. You can decide if you want the cords to sit one in front of the other or sit side by side. Each gives a bit of a different look. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.